The Creality K2 Plus is a beast, but it's a beast that needs a handler. It bridges the gap between consumer ease and industrial capability, leaning slightly towards the industrial side. Buy this if you need the massive 350mm cubed build volume for helmets, props, or large functional parts. You print ABS, ASA regularly and need the active chamber heating to stop warping. You are comfortable tinkering with slicer profiles or rooting caliper to unlock its full potential. Skip this if you have limited desk space, get a Bambu P1S or X1C or K1C instead. You print mostly PLA and just want a plug-and-play appliance experience with zero troubleshooting. Silence is a priority for your workspace.